Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GitHub Copilot for PR description automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable GitHub Copilot for PR description automation, start by opening your GitHub repository. Navigate to the top right corner of the repository page. Click on the Settings tab in the menu. In the left sidebar, select General. Scroll down to the GitHub Copilot section. Make sure that GitHub Copilot is enabled for your repository. Now, go to the Pull Requests section of your repository. Click on the New Pull Request button. At this point, ensure that your branch is selected correctly. Once the new pull request page loads, focus on the description section. You should see a prompt suggesting to use GitHub Copilot. Click on the prompt or start typing to activate GitHub Copilot. Copilot will automatically generate a draft description based on your code changes. Review the suggested text and make any necessary adjustments. You can refine the generated content to better fit your needs. When you're satisfied with the description, proceed to finalize your pull request. Submit the pull request by clicking the Create Pull Request button. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your PR description with GitHub Copilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.